So I've been excited to try these. They are the Valentino Toile Iconographe tights. Now I'm putting gloves on because for me, I honestly think they're a ridiculous price to pay for a pair of designer tights, but I found them on sale. They are gorgeous. I think as long as you care for them properly, she says, I'll probably put a finger through it the first time. As long as you care for them properly, I think you can get some good wear out of them. I also got the neutral color so I can wear it with lots of things. So obviously it comes in the gorgeous red Valentino envelope. I ordered a size extra small, so we'll see how they fit as well. So on Valentino's site, it is called the Valentino Toile Iconographe tights. They're also on sale on Valentino right now. On other sites, they kind of call them the Valentino V-Logo tights, the Valentino all-over pattern tights, but you'll get the idea once you see them. So let's give these an unboxing. The reason I have put gloves on, and this is going to be a care tip for you, is I have really long fingernails right now and they're quite pointy, so I don't want to put a hole through my tights on the first wear. So I'm going to give you some tips for making them, some care tips for trying to make them last a bit longer as well, unless you don't care about them being disposable tights, but I want to get some wear out of them. So they're in the here, and then they obviously have the price tag, the sizing, and obviously the code on there. I don't even want to get the sticker stuck to them. So here is going to be your label on there with the Valentino, the sizing, the price, all the good stuff. And then these are the tights. Now, when I asked Valentino if they were more like leggings or tights, they definitely said they are more like tights, but I do like that waistband on them. These don't seem that stretchy though, and they look really big to me for an extra small. I'm wondering if they've mislabeled them. So they are stretch tall, they're 90% polyamide, 10% stretch elastane, but I don't think they look that stretchy. So let's pop them on and see how they look.
So obviously you can see, I do think they missized them. They are so baggy on the ankles, on the knees, on the crotch, on the waist. I'm not going to show you that. And there was no bend in the ankles, so we literally couldn't move in them either. So definitely hitting the return pile. But I do want to share some pro tips with you on taking care of them.
Okay, some pro care tips for your tights, because I kind of did this with the Gucci tights as well. One is hand wash them on cold. Definitely be really, really careful. Be careful with fingernails. Don't use kind of any scrubbing brushes. Just kind of wash them really gently, obviously paying attention to the gusset areas and the feet. When you're putting them on, if you have long fingernails, do not wear jewelry when you put them on. Take your rings off, take your bracelets off, anything that could catch when you put them on. Also be careful with your toenails. If you wanted to wear little ankle socks underneath these, if you're going to be wearing them with boots, that's another idea as well to prevent your toenails going through the end of the tights. You can also wear socks over the top of the tights if you're worried about friction on your boots. Again, this sounds like overcare, babying them, but when you're paying over $300 for a pair of tights, I want to make them last, and I'm sure you do too. And then storage wise, be really careful. I got my Gucci logo tights stuck in the zipper of my suitcase, destroyed them. So ever since, I have been storing all of my tights in little bags. Now this doesn't come with the tights, but I highly recommend just getting something to protect them, even when you're just keeping them in your drawers. If you're traveling with them, this is a pro tip.
Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a quick thumbs up and subscribe.